If your electric front windows don't work on a Skoda Fabia MK1, either don't work at all or are temperamental, it's a relatively easy fix just to change the switches out. In this video I'll show you how to do that. What you've got to do is remove this panel here, and it's located with 3 tags at the front, sort of loop tags at the front, here, here and here, and then it's got 1 tag at the rear which needs to be released first, and you need to push that one up from behind. Now if you look underneath you can see there's a little hole, and you can just see it just there. And what you've got to do is you've got to get a little piece of wire which is slightly bent. You can't use a screwdriver because it's not bent. You got because it just loops round, and you stick your wire up this little hole until it stops, and it rests on the little tag at the back, and then you just push back and up at the same time, and that should release it. Well, in this case it released the front one as well if you're lucky. Sometimes it doesn't do that, and then you've just got to put a little screwdriver in the front, which is a protected screwdriver, a little plastic thing, and then it'll lift up. You can see the way it clips in, so just don't mark the front, of course. That's why you got a screwdriver in there, you see. Just be careful not to mark it. We'll turn it round. There's the clip that fits on the back. That goes down. It's a bit misshapen a little bit. I'll put that right. But that goes down the back there. It goes down behind that piece of plastic and hooks round. So what you're doing is you're pushing up against that. It takes a bit of fiddling about with. And so then we've got to take the electrical connection off. That just pulls out like that. I think they're glued in it initially, and there's the OEM number on the back. I think it's a bit worn on that one. There's 3 Phillips screws to take out, one here, and one here. And then you just pull the back gently off. Turn it round, there you go. That's the old one with the OEM number on the back. Get the new one. These are only about 10 quid on eBay. Make sure it matches the old one, and then you just slot it in place where the other one went. Straightforward, and then screw the screws back in. When you've secured the unit, then you just got to connect it to the door connection, and then align all the tags, but make sure the back one goes behind the back piece of plastic first, and then lower it down vertically, just drop it in place, and then push firmly down where all the tags are at the back, and then at the front just make sure it's all completely down. There we go, and then all there is to do now is to test it, and that seems to be working nicely now. And down and up, yeah, works perfectly. Sorted. There we go. Job's a good one. And thank you for watching. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. I really appreciate that, guys. Don't forget to press the subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next video.